Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Ethan and I'm here today with the POM Jelly keycaps. I got the Sugar Cube version from Escape Keyboards. This group buy ran back in like March and April. I think they have extras right now, but I know they're going quick. So hop on that. I'll have the link in the description below. I'm really excited about these keycaps. I saw a video a long time ago from Wildcat. I'll also link his channel in the description. I love his channel. This is essentially the first time I've ever had a group buy. 7 months later, hopefully it all turns out. What I did with this was I took the Novelkeys Silk Blacks that I put on my Snow Fox before. I desoldered my Mia Pro Panda, threw these in. They were super nice with the high profile case. Just the acoustics of it was like real nice. It felt really smooth. I decided to take out the Panda keycaps, which I know is kind of the whole point of the keyboard, but I took them out to try in these POM Jelly keycaps, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm really excited. So I ended up really loving these keycaps. They feel super smooth. The Mia Pro Panda keycaps are PBT dye sub keycaps, and they're really nice. I love the texture. And the POM Jellies were actually very similar in terms of acoustics, but it felt just so good. Like it was super smooth. It felt bassy in my fingers, if that makes any sense. The keycaps themselves, like there's no texture like PBT keycaps, and they're just perfectly smooth, which makes sense because POM is supposed to be that material that's, you know, self-lubricating and all that, which is why they use them in stems for switches and stuff. Overall, I really love these. I definitely suggest you give them a try. They said they would be running another group buy soon. That wouldn't be like a 7-month group buy since they have everything set up and everything. They said it would be a lot faster like in the December timeframe, so make sure to go over to Escape Keys and make sure to get notified and all that. And yeah, I think it was super great. I love these keycaps. I am gonna keep them on the Mia Pro Panda for now until, you know, I get bored or I miss the panda theme. But yeah, it was really great. If you like this video, just hit the like button, subscribe, comment if there's something that stood out to you, if you have POM Jellies yourself, and if you had a different experience, the same experience or whatever, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.